That's what you're looking for.
That's what you're looking for right there.
Cut that temp down now.
What it look like. Oh yeah. Now that is beautiful. Same thing with this one. Turn it over. Let that work. I'm okay.
Hi, I'm Keith Colbert. Welcome to Casey's Kitchen. I'll be doing some recipes that's easy and fun and something that you and your guests will truly enjoy. Hi, welcome to Casey's Kitchen. I'm Keith Colbert. Today I'm going to be making something that's so easy. It's Chimichurri Steak. I'll use 2 pieces of flank. We'll marinate it with the chimichurri sauce. If you want to know how to make that chimichurri sauce, check out the other video. I think you'll like it. It's so much fun, so easy, and something you and your guests will truly enjoy. We're going to enjoy this tonight. So what I'm going to do is get some marinade on these 2 pieces of flank steak, turn them into chimichurri steaks, and later on we're going to taste them. All right, I got my flank steaks in the plastic bag. Perfect for marinating. Too easy when you do it this way, and easy to clean up. Got the 2 pieces of flank. I'm going to use flank instead of a skirt steak or some other piece of meat because flank is the perfect texture and it'll come out so beautiful for the application I'm going to use it for. It's going to be great and tasty. I add my chimichurri sauce to it. I'll slide it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. You know, I don't know the size of this bag. I'd really go into the details, but you know, I'm a Miguk Saddam, so you know, it's a Hanguk bag. I don't know. I think it's about a gallon where I come. So we're going to put that in there, pop this thing on the grill, and taste something so amazing in a few hours. All right, now what I'm going to do is take the air out of this bag, and then I'm going to just get my, oh yeah, oh man, that is nice. I kind of wished I was a flank steak. And just massage that marinade into that meat and let it get all the way through there on all sides. Too easy. Like, see how easy the application is with this plastic bag? You know, you just work it in a little bit, let that stuff get in there, those flavors meld, go into that meat. That lime juice will actually tenderize this meat, and this is something I think, now see how hard that was? Now, of course, you perfectionists, and I know there are many of us, we want it perfect. Well, you don't have to be perfect, you just got to be tasty. And there we go. We'll slide it in the fridge, leave it in there a couple hours, and throw it on the grill. Okay, it's showtime. Time to put those bad boys on the grill. So I'm going to open it up, spray my grill with a little bit of Pam, and then I'm going to throw those steaks on, get a good char on one side, flip them, other side, while I'm cooking my jalapenos and onions as well. So, stay with us. Watch this. Get her Pam, get everything ready. All right. Yeah. It's cooking time. Okay. When we enjoy these tonight, we are going to enjoy them fajita style. So again, this type of cooking, you can do so many things with it. Got the chimichurri steaks on the grill. That's the recipe Cameron showed me. But I'm going to cook it better. I did a little couple of different things than what he did. So we'll see how it goes, right? You gonna pick mine? Yeah. He can never win the challenge. Never. Right? Good girl. Wait, no, I'm not gonna let Victoria take the test. Only Blackie. You're the critic. You're the judge. Victoria, out. Grab the edge, see those? And I'm gonna just turn it a little bit. Got the grill marks going on there. See that? They look beautiful. I'm just gonna take and turn it a little bit to give me a diamond shape on that when it's done. So same thing here. I'll move that one over. I'm gonna do some jalapenos. Learned this recipe in Salt Lake City from the Red Iguana, one of the #1 Mexican restaurants in the nation. Now let me put these bad boys on. Check out these. These are awesome. You see that? I'll put that bad boy on. Grilled jalapenos. These are phenomenal. And it looks like I can even turn my steak, so that's a twofold win there. And I'm putting these over direct heat, you'll see. You'll see a little flame up. See what these look like. Oh yeah. Now that is beautiful. Same thing with this one. Turn it over and let that work. I'm gonna cook these to probably a medium well. Turn the fire off. We'll cook these, so quick side, got a little char on that one. That looks good. Looking great. Yeah. Those are gonna be awesome. All right, I'm gonna move them over here with the onions off of the direct heat. That way and let them finish cooking with our steak. Check that out, so tender. It smells awesome, so juicy. Check that out. We're gonna make some fajitas with this chimichurri steak. I'm gonna lay down some avocados. You know, you can get avocados in any market, so it's a great dish. A little bit of jalapeno we grilled on the grill along with the steaks. They are really nice too, so put those on there. A little bit of the grilled onion. Yeah. Lay that steak on there. Oh man, look at that. That is amazing. Of course, a little sour cream. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of that sauce on there. I think I might put a little sauce on there too. That looks like some good Mexican Argentinian blend. There you go, a fajita. Enjoy. Okay, I can't wait. Oh man. You're gonna truly enjoy this. It's great. Peace and love. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh my
You want to flip?
Yeah, let's do it. Flip it over.
All right.
Oh
look at that.
man.
And that smells unbelievable. Now I'm telling you, come on in and get a picture. This
Yeah, get a little closer. Come on here. All right, so
welcome to Casey's Kitchen.
Are
I'm
we-
Keith Covert. I got Cameron here with me.
I've been here the
What are we
whole
cooking?
time.
Yeah, I know.
Tonight we're
cooking.
chimichurri steak. Chimichurri
They
steak.
smell great. I guarantee you this grill is doing its job tonight.
There was
back
some-
up to about 400 degrees.
There was something I was going to tell you guys about this marinade. I didn't tell you earlier, but you don't have to use beef or sogogi. If you want to use chicken, 닭고기, 아니면 pork or 돼지고기, 다 쓸 수 있어요. You can use it all, and that's something that's very
I can
special
see
about
that.
this marinade.
I'm telling you, you showed me something. I love the way you know, we blended up fresh ingredients. You can't beat
Isn't that
that.
good?
I think that'd be good on some salmon too.
No, I think it would be.
You know, that garlic, that bringing that out.
Why don't we try that one time?
Let's do it.
Let's try the salmon.
I like that recipe.
What do you guys think? Do you think it would be good on salmon? If
I
you
think it
do,
would be.
let us know below.
Actually, you know, it's one of the dishes I like. When I first came to Korea, I couldn't eat it. It's the crab. You know, the marinated crab.
Oh, 양념게.
Yangyang. Okay.
양념게. 꼭, yeah.
게장.
양념게장. You know, there's
Yangyang
양념게장.
Yangyang.
Yes. All right. So there's two different types that they use. They use 간장,
Soy sauce.
right? It's 간장, 게장, or they use the spicy version.
I like the spicy too.
Yeah, I actually prefer the 매운 게장. I could eat maybe like 5마리 with 밥. Oh, it's so good.
But
Perfect.
what I was thinking, throw some of them bad boys, put this on it.
Oh, that would be good.
That's a little fusion there. I mean, that's what you do when you're cooking. You know, you start thinking about flavors and stuff.
Yeah.
But I think the way this tastes on that crab would be awesome.
Yeah. Will Smith once said something, when East meets West.
Ooh, always like that fusion.
Fusion's good. All right, let's lean in there. You smell that?
I smell it already.
You smell that? Do you smell that? I know you guys can't
Blackie.
smell it, but it smells good.
Blackie's smelling it. Look at her. Blackie, you smell this? Huh? 좀 냄새?
좋은 냄새 있어요?
진짜? Blackie! You know, from Pensacola, Florida.
Oh, Pensacola. Pepsi-Cola?
By chance is perfectly authorized.
Bachans.
Matcha.
There it is. Say it one more time. Talk again.
Original barbecue sauce. We love it.
Bachans.
Great people. Hey,
Great
check them out. Some cross grill marks.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when you're doing presentation, putting that bad boy on a plate, that'll make a big difference.
So almost like the way they do in like the restaurant.
Yeah, you put that crisscross on
Yeah.
the grill marks. Oh, it just
The lime-
softens that meat.
The lime juice actually slightly cooks the meat a little bit because of all the acid that's in it.
Yeah.
So that's the color and the
Oh, and you
consistency.
had me, tell them you had me
Oh.
drain it.
And this also was a little offline. I don't do this often, but I wanted to do it tonight just for presentation reasons.
Hey, I have my Bluetooth PlayStation steaks in here.
Got all that chili, all that spice coming out of there.
Oh man, that is looking as Mama's gonna love this.